Welcome to Country Boy Tested. Today we're going to be working on the Vtuvia. I had put this together. I had to do some soldering work. When I ordered this from Vtuvia, it came with the plug on it for a newer model bike. So I had to take the old connector off and put the 5-pin back on it. Now my question is, are we gonna update this whole thing? Oh, chicken's over there having a time. Are we gonna update this controller here? See those old, everything on here is just like when they first started sending out e-bikes. All of these are old. You want to know what I'm talking about? Here's a newer controller. And if you see the newer controller, there's way less wires. You don't see all of this bundle right here. So I may upgrade it, update it, and use this kind of controller. But see, this controller is a little bit stronger. That's an 18. Yeah, that's an 18 amp. That's 18. Yep, 18 amps. You see it right there. And this one is 22 amp. And this is a 750 watt motor. This is the Vtuvia step-through bike. This is a little seat on it. I got the battery over here, taking some charge. Oh, I think it's done. Yes, it's done. Okay. That's why these come in handy, everybody. These EcoFlow. Tight plugs. Oh, yep, it's done. And we still have 89%. I just topped this battery off, because I don't know if this is going to work or not. I haven't even tried to. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to put my camera on. Give me a moment, everybody. Okay, now I got my hands free. Okay, now let's slide this battery back on there. Y'all better angle. Okay, got the battery back on it. Where is the connector? There it is. Let's see if my soldering skills. All right, we got that. And here's the truth. I got the battery on, don't I? Yeah, that's what I like, these batteries. Let's see. Yep, it charged it up. Full. Get you one of these EcoFlows, and then you can put that battery somewhere safe and charge it. Now, this is the small one. That's the small one right here. We have a big one coming in, and as a matter of fact, when the big one gets in, I'm gonna show y'all the bigger one too, because it's you can charge your batteries with these and then charge these up with the sun. I use my sun panel to charge that up. As a matter of fact, let's cut that off. And the thing of it is, you have to use these. They suggest that you run it, and that thing has a ton of cycles I can run it. We use this one for our router and computer backup. Then the other one will run our refrigerator, and we can run the heater. Okay, everybody, let's see if we get this thing running here. All right, let's press it. Did I plug it in? Yes. Ah, there we go. There we go. Can y'all see that? All right. Let's hit Okay. Let's put it on 1 just to see what happens. Okay, let's lean it so it don't take off on me. And let's hit the throttle. I'm doing too much, y'all. I'm doing too much. Hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. All right. Okay, let's lean it and let's hit the throttle. Oh, woo! There we go. Woo-wee! Yeah, the throttle on this one go all the way. Say 30, didn't it? Wonder what happened. We put it on. Let's turn it up to the max. It's just gonna probably say 30. Yep, 30. But this one is a little ball of fire. This one is capable of popping the wheelie. And the little kid that had this bike that I bought this from, he used to stunt with it. He jumped it and everything, and that's how he locked out the front forks, he told me. And I'm gonna spray. Let me turn this off. So now that I know it works, I can finish putting this back on. I'm gonna be putting it on this side, and the good thing is I can take that screw out and put it on. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these grips off, and I think I'm gonna take off this throttle, and I want to put that other throttle on here, the grip throttle. So I think that's what we're getting ready to do. We're going to put that throttle on, and now that I know that my soldering work was correct and everything is good to go. Hold on, let's turn this off so we don't have any accidents. All right, because I got to put this here. I have a back brake for right now. I have to order a front brake, and I also have to order a front fork. And Vtuvia has they have the new fork for this available, so I'm gonna order it. I don't think I'm gonna worry about putting fenders back on it right now, because normally when we go riding, it's always dry. So really, fenders aren't really a big thing. My question is, do I want to update the controller? And make sure y'all can see what I'm talking about. I'm sorry if y'all couldn't see that angle. I might have to cut that out. But my question is, do I need to update the controller on this bike? I know this is, I'm gonna spray this first. Let's sit this up here right now out of the way. Actually, we can sit it right here, because I'm getting ready to go I'm getting ready to screw it and put it back on here, because now that I know that worked. Okay, a couple of people ask about what to clean your e-bike with. I'm gonna show you what I clean. Now this motor here has not been sealed, and I know it hasn't, because I took this apart and greased the wheels, greased the gears in it. So this motor does not have a seal on it. To seal it, you have to just put the liquid gasket on it, and that will seal that motor and make it an IP6. Then you could get water on it, but don't go crazy and spray. Don't forget it's electrical. Get out of here, B. Yeah, they don't like being washed. So I got to get this. And see, I like this one here because it comes out of the end right there of the sprocket. It's on the outside. But I got to get this thing back clean. I got to first clean it up. It's been sitting put up for a minute. Then I need to run it a little bit. We're going to run it, play with it a little bit. I got to get that front. I'm going to put the new, I may have to wait because I forgot. I need to order brakes for this. I need to order new brakes, and I want to upgrade the brakes. So I'm going to see if Vtuvia has a good set, because, you know, they have the set that'll talk to everything. But I think if I put that on here, I'm going to have to upgrade everything. I mean, the whole system, and bring it up to date. But right now, I can just get by with putting some aftermarket brakes on it. Probably some DY Island. Probably gonna order the DY Island kit and put that on it, so that I can make sure that I can plug it back in and talk to my braking system on the on the controller. And as far as cleaning, glass cleaner and an absorbent towel. And if you don't think that worked, let's show you right here. This is all you need. Okay, you see that? Bam, bam, bam. Everything you touch with it, it just cleans it right up. Now, like if you're gonna grease these like I'm about to do, you might want to get the debris off of them. Okay, I ain't gonna do a whole bike cleaning. That just shows you what to use to clean your bike up with. Glass cleaner, Windex, whichever one you like, it don't matter what brand. Now this is the deep blue chain conditioner. I showed you how to use this after you use brake part cleaner. And get you a tub or something. I normally use one of these. And the reason I say that is because I put it under there and I use my brake parts cleaner with the little red tube, and I spray this chain as I run it. Oh, I better stop. I forgot I got wires over there loose. I spray it as I run it. I clean it, put a towel on here and clean the debris off. Then you come back and you use this right here, your chain conditioner. We're going to be doing that because this chain hasn't been done. Now, I'm going to spray this on here just to see. Ooh. I gorilla hand it. That's my little saying for what happens. How to overpower this. Left hand has a problem with strength. We're going to try a little bit of that. And see if that'll penetrate. It's going in there. Yeah, we're gonna see if that'll break these loose. But that's a tough nut breaker. It's a heavy duty penetrant. No pun intended. Anyway, that's all, y'all. That's what we're doing with it today. We got it running. So I got an order. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to set the I'm gonna take that other throttle, twist throttle, and put on there. But you know what? Right now I'm about to lock this down, and I'm gonna take it for a little ride up the road just to get it out, because I hadn't had it out in so long, and see what bugs it might have in it and what else I want to order for it. I'm gonna give that a little time to soak and see if that'll help. Hold on, let's see. It ain't moving yet, so something must be broke out or locked out on the inside. That's like the cheap first front ends they have. I hope the dropout is better on the one I'm gonna have coming in, cause that one, I had to take that old little through axle off. It was no good. That's the one that popped. It come loose on me while I was riding. So I got it out. I'm getting ready to get DY Island hydraulic brakes. What else we gonna need? That's about it. Now, the reason I say it's hydraulic brakes, you saw how fast this thing will run. It hit 30, and yeah, it'll hit it. This is a fast little bike. It's a folding e-bike, but let me tell you, it'll pull a wheelie. It has the strength to pull a wheelie. I didn't see it that I know, but I'm serious. I was shocked. I don't know if the kid turned it up or what, but it's 18. It's just 18 amps. That's what's amazing. So I'm not gonna waste no money. If it ain't broke, what they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So we gonna get all of this packed back in here and run that line back through. Yep. And secure that line. And that will be all she wrote, everybody. I'm gonna have to put some tie wraps on there because the other line, I did not run it through there. I didn't realize that. All right, everybody, but that's it. We got it fixed. We got that running. We put the new screen the new display on here. So we're gonna use this display because I don't know, man. It's running, everything's good to go, battery's good. I might go ahead and put this up for sale, man, because I got too many bikes sitting around and I can't ride all these bikes at one time, and I hate them sitting around like, you know, collecting dust like this, man. Somebody could be riding this bike every day having a great time. So I'm gonna get it back in shape, and I think I'm gonna pop it on the marketplace and give somebody a sweet deal on it. I got a better seat for it. Well, that's the one that come with it. Put some tape over there and call it a day. Ain't be trying to spend too much money. I got a suspension seat post that I use for this. Here it is. That's the suspension seat post that I use on it. All right, everybody. I'd like to thank you for stopping by Country Boy Tested. I was going to use that camera, but I think we got everything. That's all I wanted to really talk about was this Vtuvia bike. So, oh yeah, fellas, if you take, like, I changed the front rotors, not front rotors, the front bearings out on the Honda. Don't forget, this steel, that's worth a lot of money, believe it or not. And people that make knives, like Damascus steel knives, that's the kind of steel they want, this hardened steel. That's some good steel, and they can use that. So I got a buddy, he buys this kind of like metal, especially auto parts, the springs and stuff. So never throw that stuff away, and don't let them just keep it. Tell them, hey, yo, let me have my parts, man, that you take off. Also, you don't want them to switch over on you. So if you do that and take it somewhere and they just keep your shit, get your parts back, because don't forget you get a deposit on some stuff. And stuff like this, the steel, don't just throw that away when you take them, take them off and switch them out. Keep that, because you can sell these. There's people just running to put it up. If you got a lot of metal, put it on the marketplace. High strength steel for sale. And watch, is somebody gonna hit you up now, because they need that. That stuff is expensive when you go to buy it. But other than that, folks, that's all we're going to talk about today. Thanks for stopping by Country Boy Tested. Peace.